So New Year's resolutions, the number one, can you guess? Lose weight. And of course, it's a mindset. Julio Salado of Malden, Mass. is the author of Breakout of Breaking Even. He's come up with the AIM strategy, assessment, initiate, and motivate. And motivate is exactly what Julio does.
A person like myself or another coach would say, you know what, let's look at the big picture. You actually made some serious progress because now you are having 2 creams in your iced coffee rather than 4 creams. So give you a high five. You're actually now doing 10 more minutes walking around the block versus 3 weeks ago when you didn't even want to leave the house. So it's this behavior modification, lifestyle changes, the way I approach it would lead to the long-term results.
Julio lost 80 pounds in 2019 and resculpted his own body. He was transformed by his own plan. He says, we can do it too.
I want to give a shout out to everyone and anyone who's thinking, I can't do it. I'm thinking about doing it. Do it. Today is the day. Give it a shot. You're worth it.
Julio Salado is the founder of Fitness Foundry in Malden, Mass. And a big